Welcome to watch out the videos. This video we will recommend to you is regular ones, low power solar Wi-Fi Bluetooth cameras, and this is about hard to sell because there's a lot of customers that bring too much of convenience to us of daily life. Okay, so now you take a look at the service of the box. We got no electricity required and no wire needed, and two-way audio intercom can be spoken. Remote surveillance, protect the privacy, and human induction, and simple installations. So let's check it out with the box. Open up the top. Check it out with the side. Okay, here's the rack here, and this is device, an antenna with the package of screws and screwdrivers. So take it out the pop off. Now check it out this device, the solar panels, and look at the face.
Or service.
Where's the face as above, the PRR, and here is the lens. To the right is photo sensor, photoresist, and a building with a microphone. And to the left side, I got a QR code. You use your phone, scanning the QR code, and take control by your mobile phone with this device. And look at the back, the behind. Okay, it's got the screws. Right now, we keep this antenna